Hi everyone, Grayson here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be cooking up something extra special. It's my creamy spaghetti bake. Let's go ahead and get started. So the ingredients for this spaghetti casserole call for ground beef, spaghetti, marinara sauce, cream cheese, salt, basil, pepper, Italian seasoning, sour cream, shredded mozzarella, shredded Parmesan cheese. Let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. In a medium skillet, we're going to go ahead and we are going to brown about a pound of our ground beef. Now I'm using turkey because after the holidays, I'm trying to watch it, y'all. So while our meat is browning, we're going to go ahead and start our water for our pasta. Just going to add a little bit of olive oil to the water. Okay, our meat is all brown. We're going to lower the heat down to simmer, and we're going to add 2 cups of marinara sauce. I'm going to go ahead and just use the whole jar. Our water is just about ready for our pasta, and I'm going to use 1 box of pasta. Now this is protein pasta. So if you're wondering about the protein pasta, it just has a lower carb count. We'll give that a nice stir. I'm gonna set a timer for about 9 minutes. Let's bring the temperature down just a little bit. Okay, y'all, our pasta is cooked perfectly. That took about 9 minutes. And I'm gonna go ahead and drain this. Our sauce is looking really good. And we're just about ready to assemble everything together. Okay, y'all, so in a separate bowl, we're gonna take 8 ounces or 1 block of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, I love this stuff, y'all. A half a teaspoon of black pepper, a little less than half a teaspoon of salt, and we are just gonna mix this together until it's really smooth. It really helps when your cream cheese is nice and softened. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, so the next step is to toss our spaghetti into our cream cheese mixture until it's well combined. And you just want to mix this until it's well coated. Y'all, this is such a comfort meal. And as cold and as rainy as it's been here, this is just going to be a really good dinner tonight. It is really excellent. You can serve this with a salad. You can serve this with garlic bread or toast. So once everything's really tossed and well combined, now we're going to go ahead and assemble everything together. I'm just going to grease my dish here. I'm just going to use the inside of my butter wrapper. A little trick I discovered. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we're just going to come back and we're going to spread about half of our spaghetti mixture into the pan. Now you could put down a little bit of marinara sauce in the bottom, but I just have never really done that. Next, we're going to come in with our ground beef as our next layer. Finish up the rest of the spaghetti. And just spread the rest of that spaghetti out, y'all. Now again, this is a protein pasta, so it has a lower carb count for anyone that may be trying to go low carb or anyone with any dietary restrictions. And look at that, y'all. That looks amazing. Now we're going to use about a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, which is about half of this bag. We're just going to sprinkle that right on the top. Oh yeah, that looks so incredibly good. All my edges. Half a cup of shredded Parmesan. Okay, let's go ahead and pop this in a preheated oven at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes or until it's golden brown or the cheese is nice and melted. So here we go. Oh wow, that looks great. It smells so good. I love just how perfectly golden brown it is. I'm gonna go ahead and just garnish this with some basil. We're gonna let this cool for about 5 or 10 minutes and then we're gonna come back and get it plated up and I'm gonna give it a taste. Let's go ahead and take a bite of this and see how it is. It smells delicious. It's still really warm. It's got a lot of steam coming off of it. Okay, y'all, here goes. Let's give it a taste. This is excellent. This is the best, creamiest, cheesiest spaghetti casserole you will ever need. It is quick and simple to pull together. The spices, the basil, the Italian seasoning, it is all excellent. The cream cheese, the sour cream just brings it all together. This baked for 30 minutes and this is so good. Let me get one more bite. That is clearly hitting on all points. You will not be disappointed with this spaghetti casserole. And that is gonna do it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if so, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel as it does help me to continue to grow and bring more content like this to you. And as always, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. I'll see you next time.